Hey everybody, welcome back to 3 Generations Restoration. Today we got an International 454 British diesel engine tractor, and it has a miss when it's first running for a little while. So we're gonna try to figure out what that miss is coming from. We're gonna go ahead and get the hood off of this thing, and once we get the hood off, which really was the muffler and 4 bolts, we'll show you guys the method we're going to use to finding this engine miss, and depending on what we got, we'll figure out what we need to do with the tractor. So stay tuned for a cool little troubleshooting video, and I hope you guys like it. Alright, so we got this air cleaner out of the way so we can get access to the injectors, which I'll show you here in a second. We pulled it off, and it's not looking like this tractor's even getting any air, which could be a problem for why it ain't running right. So we're gonna see, possibly, I mean, look at that. There's damn peanuts in there. So here's the access we were trying to get for the injectors, 3-cylinder. Honestly, I think we should probably start it and see how it runs. Go from there. Alright everybody, before we go ahead and test the injectors, we're going to see if the thing runs fine with that air open right there where you just eliminated the air filter, so it gets all the air it needs. Let's go ahead and fire it up. We'll give it a little fuel. We're neutral. And not going to be touching the loader, so. Hold on, I got a shot here. Everybody, so it looks like this is actually going to be a simpler fix than I thought, and having dirty air filters will definitely cause bad engine performance. I see it all the time at work on bigger machines where dust and dirt will accumulate on the air filter like you just saw, and it'll cause reduced engine performance. And that's the case with this, and you can see that it's smoking a little bit, and if you guys can see that 40-20 right there, did the same thing for about 5-10 minutes and then it clears up. It's trying to run clean again for the first time probably in a while. Where we got it from, I don't know the last time the air cleaner was checked. So sometimes big problems can be simple solutions, and I probably should have thought big picture before I brought it inside and just checked the air filter, but it ain't missing. It sounds pretty good too. Let it idle down. Yeah, you can hear it's hitting on all 3. So yeah, looks like the only thing that isn't working is the tachometer. Otherwise everything else seems to be working good. I'm gonna go ahead and back the tractor inside, and then we're gonna go ahead and put everything back on it, and I'll take it back out and take her for a small spin. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put the air cleaner back on. put this on it too. Yeah. I'll put it on after. So, what I just got done doing was cleaning out this air filter box. So we're gonna go ahead now and put her back on. Slide it on the first inlet.
Push one through.
Then I got a bolt here, and underneath here, got to slide a bolt in. Not exactly the easiest spot to get to. Damn it.
It's up in here.
There's one bolt started.
Push it in there. Yeah, push the air cleaner up a little bit. There you go. Right there, yeah.
You got it started?
Yeah, it's good. Just do the same thing. You can.
I can't believe how many freaking nuts and stuff were in there. No wonder the damn
Boy,
thing.
this other one has got to be not on very tight.
So you can tighten it up. You need a ratchet. Yeah, 3/8.
3/8. Now maybe.
There.
Now maybe. Now you can tighten this up here. Where can you get through? Through here?
Yeah, I'll get it. And get this one up too. All right, now the clamps are lined up again with our 5/16 ratchet. We'll go ahead and tighten up each clamp. All right, there's the other clamp.
Good.
So this thing's gonna be sitting in cold storage for a while. So we're gonna go ahead and check the coolant. Kind of dirty looking, but it reads -35. And I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but
Put up the light.
yeah, there we go. The arrow's right there, which corresponds to -35. So we got good coolant. So I got one little rubber boot to put back on, and then our air cleaner is back on. So like I said before, having this dirty or packed does not help with having an engine running good. We're gonna put the hood back on, and I think it's only right to take this thing for a quick spin. We'll meet you guys after we get the hood on. There's nothing special about that, just a few bolts. All right, everybody, so we got the tractor hood back on, and we're gonna go ahead and take this thing for a small spin. Left side is load her up. Really nice tractor. And I can tell you that when we would do maintenance and stuff on the thing for the guy before it came here, we put a new starter, new alternator, we packed both the lift cylinders, it's got a new tilt cylinder. Yeah, so like just that little bit of maintenance really helps and goes a long way with how these things run. So this is going to be one that's going to be going up for sale, so if you're interested in it, comment down below. But yeah, go ahead and picture it and then go ahead and finish up with the video. Alright everybody, well the weather really turned the past hour or so here. It was 65 degrees last week and now it's getting into the damn near 30s again. But yeah, pretty nice tractor here. I wasn't envisioning this easy of a fix on it, but at least we got it and it's all running good now, so make a good little video, I guess. But nonetheless, really nice tractor. It's a 1973 International 454, made in the United Kingdom or Great Britain or whatever the name of the country was back in the 1970s. Good little handy utility tractor. So yeah, I think I'm gonna call it an episode here, get back into the heated shop, and we're gonna move some stuff around eventually, so put it right here for now. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next video.